Hey Albert, hey track fans, and we are back, track 91. Look, we got some journos trying to get a shot of this guy. He's not having it, but anyway, let's get on with this. What have we got on the track today, Albert? Do you remember this car? Track fans, you know what it is. It's the Ginetta G60, a firm favourite. Yes, I'm so pleased to have this back. We've got a long track going on. You saw it in the track previews, took a bit of a while on board cam as well. That was pretty cool recording. So no further ado, let's get on with it. Let's do all the Ginetta, calm down. Ginetta's trying to get away. Ready? Let's drive and straight into the first R2. Oh, go take it easy around there. I don't want to kick out. Whoa, get to burnout, drifting already. Track is epic. Track is epic. Now I want to get a bit of, get that cam in the tunnel. Some nice shots of the Ginetta going down here. I do love this car. This car has got it all going on. Quite a long wheelbase, which makes it quite good for drifting. Did you see some of the drifting in the previews, Alb? Have you shown Wilfred this stuff yet, mate? He's got to get in the track fan action. Oh, I got a little kick out over there. Well, I need to try and take it easy through there though, just while we have a couple of laps, get them tyres bedded in and warmed up. So through this big, long, sweeping R3 corner there. I love that corner. That is going to be some speed once we get the motor going, the tyres working up. It's going to be good fun. Oh, there's a little bit of spin out there. I don't know if you caught that on the camera. I don't know whether I was quick enough. So I like this track 91. This has got quite a bit going on in it. A staggered double R2 here of Hammerhead. The pallet is back. The cheapest underground tunnelling system you will ever get. If you need one, Albert, I'll bring one down when I come. I can sense the lockdown is almost over, guys. The time of recording this, there 19.5 million people have been vaccinated, which I think if we've got about 65, 67. Oh, hello. Oh my word, did you see that? And a stack to finish it off. That was amazing. We should definitely be thinking about having another look at that on the rewind. In fact, you're probably doing that now. I couldn't believe we got that. We shot it in the preview and then we've got it live time while I'm talking to you on the track, and then so excited I crashed it. Oh, if you want to see some quality crashes, check out the outtakes after this. Amazing. Ginetta, it knows how to crash. But the nice thing about Ginetta, we got a side. Oh no, I thought we had a side drift going on through the tunnel there. We might get some tunnel action actually. Let's get round there. But yeah, the Ginetta, wow. Let's see. Here he comes, we've got it on camera. That magnet in the back of the Ginetta is punishing. He's sticking everywhere. Sorry, John, but you know, we're having fun here. We'll get serious about racing when we can get out and about on the road again and go and see some race clubs. See if they'll have us. Oh, anyway, here's a big shout out to Paul and his kids. Hello, Michael, how you doing? Neil, stand by, mate. I know that you're watching this. So this one is specially for you. Right, hold on. Lane change! Oh, he missed it! I was going to give you a lane change. But anyway, back to it. I'll tell you what, guys, let's make this our last lap of this really cool track 91. And we've got Ginetta spoiler. Spoiling the games. See what I did there? Right, last one. Round the long flyover into the drift circle. Gets the drift for the last lap. Yes, track fans. Oh, he's on it. Big drift bar, 1-2 traction. Back into pits. There you go. Ginetta, we'll see you soon. Track fans, see you, Albert. Take care, guys. So, well, welcome back, Albert. Track fans, remember, who lasts the credits is victorious. So I thought, as a special bonus, we'll take that one off. Oh, should we try a different car? Let's get the BMW on the go. Come on, we'll do a couple of quick laps and that'll see us right. You ready? Let's drive for the last time on track 91. Oh, he's burnt out already. He's slipped off there. Pure excitement. What can you say? Oh, gets the burnout on there. Lovely little last lap there. Come on, bringing him round. We shouldn't. Oh, can he make it? Will he make it? Will he make it? Come on, BMW, you can make it. Let's get out of the way of the camera. Yes, he makes it on his own. And back into pole. See you later, track fans. Ta-da, Albert.